Do you use triangle congruence often?
We do, not in the sense of going through the different like the law of like angle side or that kind of thing. Not in that aspect, but we do use it a lot when we do, like I said, structures and we're trying to set up our bracing, and you realize that your spacing, is say 20 feet on this one side, and you move 100 feet down the road, and you have the same thing all over again. Like I said, you try to keep it similar because repetitive work is always easier to design and easier to produce when you're out there in the field. So the moment you realize you have similar spacing, similar height, you start doing same angles, same sides, and all that kind of thing.
So why is it used? Is it better to be congruent than just regular triangles? Is there any advantage?
Well, like I said, in this particular case, when you find the congruence in say using the triangles, you already know that if I have two exact same bays, same angles, same triangles, and one of the two has the bigger forces, you know that you can pick this one with the bigger forces, designed for that, and therefore the smaller one is also going to work because you're using the same angles. The force is going to be distributed in the same proportion, but you already designed for the one with the biggest reaction. You can apply it to the smaller one as well. So
When you started thinking about what job you were going to get and you decided on this job, were you expecting to use a lot of congruency?
I guess I didn't, but that's because I didn't really know the nature of the business when I first joined, and I knew I was going to design pipe racks, which that's how like the general terminology for all these structures that they do for piping and equipment. I didn't even know really what a pipe rack was. So in that sense, I didn't know I was going to be using geometry over and over again. I do know that geometry is a very important component of engineering work in general, especially when you're dealing with layouts and structures. But I didn't expect to use it as much as we do now. So
Um,